Hi everybody, welcome to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Look at this. We have another Star Trek set we're going to build and display. This is Captain Rex from the Star Wars series. And this is one of the most popular and one of the most iconic helmets of all of them in the Star Wars series. So what we have here is 5 numbered bags. There's 2 bags for 1, 2 bags for 2, and then we have 3, 4, and 5. 160-page manual and a small sticker sheet. I wish there weren't any stickers, but there are in this particular helmet, which shouldn't be too bad. We'll stick those on wherever they have to go. And the quality of the stickers looks pretty good, so we shouldn't have any issues there. So there we go. This is set number 75349, 854 pieces. It's an 18+ set, and it runs $69.99. If you look around, you can find this on sale for $55 to $60. I'm sorry, $55 to $56. $55.99 is the average I've seen, and I think it's a pretty good buy for that, especially for the brick count. 854 pieces for around $56 is a pretty good deal. So let's get on this, have some fun with it. We'll start with bag 1. And when we're complete with bag 1, we'll come back, give you a fresh update, show you what the progress is, and if there's any issues at all. And if there are, I'll point those out to you, and we'll keep moving on. And we'll move into bag 2, 3, 4, and 5, and each one will have an update, and we'll go from there. So, and then when we're done, give it a final review, the completed set, reveal, and a rating. Thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please follow with me. Let's have some fun with this. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I much appreciate that, and it helps the channel so much. And let me know if you have the set. Comment and let me know if you have it and how you're displaying it and what you think of it. I have 2 other helmets besides this one that I built. They're on the channel, and you can find those builds and reviews on the channel. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back after bag 1. Hi everybody, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. And welcome back to the Captain Rex Star Wars helmet. This is a fun helmet, a very popular helmet, and probably one of the most iconic of the entire series of helmets that Lego has put out. Here's where we are. We completed bag number 1. Moving on to bag 2. Here's bag 2 ready to go. There's 3 segments to this bag. Here's what we have. Through bag 1, we built up the upper portion of the helmet. We still are pretty basic here yet. As you can see, there's a lot of attachment points, a lot of studs to attach to here to build out on all sides. And of course, this portion here, you can see right there. So we built up the top of the helmet. We're moving down now and out to get the bottom portion. We've not built up the base yet. So that's where we're at so far through bag number 1. Quite a bit. There were actually 2 larger bags that made up bag number 1. And that's why that looks like there's quite a bit here for just one bag. So let's move on to bag 2 and give it a go. And we'll be back with bag 2, give you a fresh update, and let you see how it's coming along. So far, so good. We use 1 sticker right there. And here are the remainder stickers. You can see that one missing, number 8. One in that top portion. Right there. So, let's get on to bag 2. I'll be back, and we'll give you a fresh update, and we will move on to bag 3 from there. Thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love comments. I love to hear from you. If you have this set, what do you think of it? Are you enjoying it? And how was the build for you? Always interested to know. And I do respond to all my comments. Thanks so much for coming along and watching, and we'll be back after bag number 2. Welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Here we are at bag number 4. Completed bag 3. Bag number 4 is right there. There's 3 segments to bag 4. You can see the third one way back there. Here's what we have through 3 bags coming together very, very well. There's a few stickers used. You can see these two and that one in the center. As we come around, you can see these right here. You can kind of get a look at the whole. Quite a bit went on. The entire top is almost complete. The back was a rather large section that we finished. And of course you have these many studs on the sides that are going to be building up on to complete it. And then of course the front. And as you can see, this layout, of course this will be, as you can see here, the tilter for the plaque that will be on there, the name plaque. So there's where we are. These are all on tilts. These all move to form the inward display. Same up here. These are on tilts to give it the correct dimension. Those right there on the very top on each side. So that's where we are so far. Base is all built up. We don't have the nameplate on yet, but we will shortly. So that's where we're at through bag number 3. Let's move on to bag 4 and see how much further we can build this out. So far, so good. Everything's coming together nicely. There's some tricky angles you have to, especially in here, and here, and up here. There's some angles you have to pay attention to. They get a little tricky, but other than that, especially right in here, they're all weird angles that don't seem normal, but yet they do come together correctly. So same on this side. So there it is. Looking good so far. Captain Rex is almost done. So we'll get through bag 4. I'll give you another fresh update, and we'll move on to bag 5 and complete this. And a final review and my rating. So, again, thank you for coming along. Please like, subscribe. I always say that, I know. But it really helps the channel if you do. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I always love hearing from my viewers, so please comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think of this this helmet from Captain Rex. Thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we will be back after bag 4. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the RP Price LEGO Build and Review channel. And welcome back to the completion of Captain Rex helmet, the Star Wars theme Captain Rex helmet. This set was a lot of fun to build, a little challenging at points, I have to admit. I can see why it's an 18+ set. It's an 18+ set, set number 75349, 854 pieces, and it runs $69.99, which is not too bad at all for the brick count. But if you look around, you can find this on sale in many stores for about $55 to $56, which really makes it a better value. And Captain Rex is kind of an iconic helmet, and the look is fantastic. It's a real mean look on this helmet. So what we have is the placard down here, Captain Rex placard. And as we go up, you can see the designs. These are stickers on the square, small squares right here. Those are stickers. And that section in there are actually 2 pieces. Up here is a sticker as well. And then as we turn it, you can see on the sides, these are all stickers as well. And these 2 top ones are stickers on each side. So that takes up the entire sticker complement there. These are interesting here. These are what would normally be used as tires that stick on shafts, gray shafts, that go through holes that are built up into the assemblies. What's interesting on all these heads, I have 2 other ones as well. I have Darth Vader and one other one. And the way it's built is, these are all small assemblies. In other words, this is an entire assembly, this is an assembly, this is an assembly, the top piece was an assembly, and just goes around like that. In the back, same thing. This is an assembly, this was. And as we come around, same thing here. This was an assembly, this little section here was an assembly, And then it all attaches. If you look in the earlier updates that I did, you'll see where they all attach to studs that are built out from inside. And then they use rotary sections here, like up here, so that they can angle downward. So that's what it is. It's a beautiful helmet. Really looks fantastic. Very, very, very fun build. But again, there are challenging points in here where certain bricks are set at certain angles that don't seem to make a lot of sense when you're putting it together, but eventually it does make sense once you attach it. 160-page manual right here. Easy to follow, no real issues there. If you follow it very closely, it won't have any problem at all. And mainly gray paper is used in the manual. Your parts list is back here. As you can see, you do get a removal tool with this set. Well, there's your parts list. So pretty much easy to follow. This would make a great addition. I have now 3 helmets. I don't have them all, but I have 3 of them, and makes a great addition to any Star Wars collection. You add these to the ships and other builds that you make. It would go very, very well. Fits in very well. It doesn't take a whole lot of space either. These aren't super large sets, but they sure do have a striking look. And once they're put together, they just look great. Really great. Quality of the pieces, the bricks, excellent. Excellent all the way through. No issues at all. A few extra pieces as you normally get with these sets. A few leftover pieces that give you a few extras just in case you lose one. Base is very solid. Looks fantastic. Base is a real nice look to it. So there it is. There's your Captain Rex helmet. And Captain Rex is very, very famous in the Star Wars sagas. So there you have it. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the build. I hope you followed along on all the updates and got something out of this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Love to hear from you. And again, thanks for coming along. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. We'll be back with the next build, which should be an Icon's Lamborghini. That's up next. Thank you so much, and we will get on to the next one. Again, thank you so much for coming along.